Local news for Wednesday the 21st of November. Toast Martimura Wine, Food and Music Festival has again delivered another day to remember for 8,000 happy festival goers. Toast Martimura General Manager Anna Nelson said the 2018 event was one of the best of a 27-year history of the festival. Ms Nelson said there were many highlights, including having both Palliser and Escarpment back on the Toast circuit, the varied range of wines for people to try, and of course the quality of food and entertainment on offer. The Wellington region embraced the 30th edition of the World of Wearable Art Awards, with more businesses than ever before becoming involved. The Welly Loves Wow window dressing competition this year had 92 participants, 7 of which come from Wairarapa. Wow is worth about $25 million a year to the regional economy. And in sport, the Wairarapa women's cricket side are away this weekend. The Korus are set to play Taranaki in Wanganui on Sunday.